Someday, a mad scientist will successfully breed a spider and a snake to be able to freak out 99% of the population on Earth. With his aptly named Snyder. If the scientist's name is also Snyder, that will make it twice as cool. Until that time, spiders and snakes will have to freak out people on their own.
You can look, but look, easy. Because if he gets out, do not stomp on him. You hear me? I'll catch him and put him back in. I don't think he bites. I don't think he's poisonous. He was on this side of his legs.
Nang maparamdam mo sa kanya na binibili mo siya, alam mo nakaka-insulto yun, Kian eh. Ano akala mo sa akin? Mabibili...
Hey, oh my God, stop, look behind you!
Nang maparamdam mo sa kanya na binibili mo siya, alam mo Ayan naman eh, kasi nung manang ako, ang dami-dami yung sinasabi, ngayon nagdamit ako ng ganito, may parinig pa din. Ba't ba ako nalang palagi yung target? Reminder ha? Tawa ko. Ha? Hindi ako dartboard, so yes, I have feelings.
No! Get off your nose! Ah! Uncle Lee hates this app. Get it off! Get it off!
Nang maparamdam mo sa kanya na...
That is one speedy spider. Ning doesn't realize. That the spider is tied to her.
Don't let him go! Kill him! What do you mean he's not real?
She could swear she felt something touch her foot.
Nang maparamdam mo sa kanya na binibili mo siya, alam mo nakaka-insulto yun, Kian eh. Ano akala mo sa akin? Mabibili mo ako ng ganun-ganun lang?
Daddy and Tyler are once again up to no good. Daddy-daughter day almost always ends up with one of the other family members screaming in terror or in tears.
Nang maparamdam mo sa kanya na binibili mo siya, alam mo nakaka-insulto yun, Kian eh. Ano akala mo sa akin? Mabibili mo ako ng ganun-ganun lang?
Not sure if